Guys, I'm vlogging on my new vlog camera. So let's jump into what happened, because I've been vlogging on my iPhone for the past couple of days. Well, no, for just a day, honestly. And I'm gonna go into the details of what happened to my other camera, what camera I got now, and stuff. Let me grab my, damn it. Hard for me to talk to you guys because the the screen is on this side, on the side, instead of facing up. So it's really weird for me. Alright, let me get this situated. Hi guys. So, before we get started into today's vlog, what happened was, Josh and I went to Colorado Springs and Pueblo last weekend, which was the 1st of September, for the Colorado State Fair, which was in Pueblo, but we got a hotel in Colorado Springs with my parents. And basically what happened was, it was a horrible weekend, let me just tell you that. The fair, it was raining and stuff, and then Josh ended up having a stomach ulcer. Like, he has a stomach ulcer, but he hasn't got it fixed. So he's been having a stomach ulcer or whatever. His stomach ulcer started acting up. So I had to drive to our hotel in Colorado Springs. So Pueblo and Colorado Springs are like an hour away. So I had to drive from Pueblo to Colorado Springs. And in the nighttime, I couldn't even see. I'm not a good driver in the nighttime. I can't see. I have my contacts in and stuff, but I'm just not a good driver. Anyways, I was super tired. We got to the hotel. Our card kept declining because, when we went to pay for the room, because I swiped my card so many times and I just got a replacement card, so they thought it was fraud or something. So I had to call the bank. We just ran into so many issues while we were down there. That should have been our first sign. We should have just went home. But I couldn't drive home. It was midnight. I couldn't drive. So basically what happened was, we stood at the hotel, and I left my glasses, my Gucci sunglasses, my last pair of nice sunglasses, I left them in the hotel room. It sucked so bad. And I didn't realize until the day I got back, because I was where are my sunglasses? I just didn't realize it. I don't know why. But yeah, so I was pretty upset about that. And I was really sad because I already lost my Ray-Bans in Mexico on vacation, and then I lost them again. So I called the hotel room. They told me that there was no sunglasses found, that they spoke to the housekeeper. She doesn't know where they are. So I'm they're Gucci. Of course she's gonna keep them, So I kind of figured that. And then I put my vlog camera, because I took it out of the car because I didn't want to leave it in overnight in the glove box, in the armrest. So I took it out because I was vlogging that whole weekend, which is why I'm really upset, because I had so many good footages from Maddie's birthday, her birthday weekend, everything. I got so much good footage, and I couldn't, it's all gone. And it makes me so sad because every year I document her birthday, and of course this year it's gone. So every year I document her birthday, and this year her so let me get back to the story. So I took the vlog camera into the hotel. I grabbed the vlog, I had my vlog camera in my hand. I literally made sure that was the one thing I grabbed, because I kept telling myself don't forget anything, don't forget anything. So I grabbed my vlog camera to make sure it was in my hand, and then I put it in the armrest again, because I always do that, and I know I shouldn't do it, but I did it. I always do it all the time. I'm so stupid. I try to remind myself to bring it in the house, but of course I was so tired when we got back that I left it in the armrest of the truck. So I went to bed as soon as we got home. We got home Monday, afternoon, and I went to bed and I took a nap, like, and then Tuesday I was like, oh, I need to go get my vlog camera out of the car so I could film my morning routine, because I love filming morning routines. I go to look and it's not there, but like stuff, like my bank card was thrown, like everything was thrown around. So someone stole that from my truck, like, and I'm sure they didn't steal my bank card because it's just it's a debit card. Like, you can't do shit with a debit card without it being traced to you, you know? A credit card, you don't have to use a PIN, you know? Like, it's common sense. So I feel like they just, like, didn't care about the debit card. They seen the camera and they were instantly like, oh yes, like, jackpot. So yeah, my camera was stolen. And I was like, it's been like a week now, and usually, like, even though I don't upload that much, I vlog a lot. So when I do decide to upload, I have so many videos to upload. Like, I still have footage on my laptop from like a couple weeks ago, but I was more sad because it had some pictures on there, and of course I like take weeks for me to back it up because I have a 64 gig. I had a 64 gig memory card, which I just bought another one for this camera. And so, like, I have a lot of room on there, so it takes me a while to even want to upload any footage onto my laptop. Plus, it takes forever, so I hardly ever do it. And it just, like, makes me sad because there's so much stuff on that memory card that I didn't back up onto my computer, which is completely 100% my fault. But anyway, so I was super depressed about that. Like, my Gucci sunglasses were gone. I was having a horrible week. It was just like everything that could go bad went bad. And I just like try to remember to like not be stuck on like material things. Like, it could be replaced. Like, clearly we just got my camera replaced. But like, it just sucked because there's a lot of memories on that camera. My Gucci sunglasses is like, whatever. Like, it sucked. It was really shitty. I felt really sad for the first day. But like, you know, I take other things into perspectives, like the things I do have, you know? So I, like, with the camera getting stolen, it just, like, it sucked so bad. Like, I just, like, I'm so irritated that someone could literally go through someone's, like, truck. And I should have known because the area we live in, like, it's popular for people to do that. So I shouldn't, like, Josh thought he locked the car, but he forgets a lot of stuff. Like, I shouldn't have even, like, relied on him for that. So I think he, like, felt bad a lot. Anyways, so today, I did not even think I was getting a camera today. I was shook. I was so surprised. Like, I'm still, like, in shock right now. Like, I'm pretty sure when I wake up in the morning, I'm like, oh my god, like, I have a freaking nice camera for once. Like, all my other vlog cameras, they were, like, decent. My Sony a50 100 or whatever was probably, like, the nicest one I've had. And then I also had the Rebel T6, but I returned that because I didn't use it. But like, and I also had the Canon S6 or SX70 50 or something like that. But those were all like cheap cameras. So I've had my eye on this bad boy, which I'm vlogging with, vlogging with it right now. The Canon EOS M50. Oh my god, guys, I love this. I'm actually thinking of taking it back to Best Buy and getting the white one. Well, I need to research and see which Best Buy has the white one in stock, because I actually really want the white one. I feel like this one looks like manly. So I do want to go and get the white one, but Josh surprised me with this today. He's like, let's just go look at Best Buy. Let's see like what our options are for cameras. So, and even though I already knew I wanted this one, I still wanted to look to see if I could get a cheaper one. But then, like, he convinced me. He's like, if you're gonna get a camera, you never really get any nice like, you never gotten a nice camera for yourself. So just get you like one you want forever, because we're gonna invest in it. And he's like has faith in me. Like, he sees like how much I love YouTube. So he's just like, you know what, like, you like it a lot, like, you're consistent with it to an extent. He's like, so just get something that you're gonna love and that has good quality, good audio. And I was like, yeah, you're right. So we decided to get the Canon EOS M50, and I'm super excited. So yeah, that's what I'm filming right now. It's so cool. It has interchangeable lenses. And then it has the screen on the side instead of facing up. Instead of flipped up, it's flipped up on the side, which is kind of like a downfall for me because I keep looking over here, but I'm trying to look over there. And then it has a thing to hook up your external mic or like a flash on it. There's just so many, and it films in 4K and it does portraits. So there's so many ups about this camera, and I'm like super happy about it. So it did end up being $728 after taxes, with the SD card. So yeah, that is the moral of the story. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to be more consistent with my videos.